Okay. Yes. So good morning, everybody.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. Shribala, are you feeling sleepy, Shribala? Okay. When did you all wake up? When did you wake up? Did you brush your teeth?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Did you eat breakfast?
No. Yes.
No.
Yes.
You're waiting for the class to get over to have breakfast.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. All right. So shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Who will tell me what we learned in the last class?
Chapter 5. More about keyboard.
Chapter 5, more about keyboard. And what did we learn about the keyboard?
Keyboard is a common input device.
Input device and what are the small buttons on the keyboard called? Keys. Very good. Wait. Small buttons on the keyboard are called keys. After that, we started learning about different types of keys, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. Which is the first one that we learned?
Title bar.
You're right.
Title bar.
No, not title bar. I'm asking about keys. What keys? Typing. Yes, typing keys. We learned about the typing keys. Okay. And typing keys is another name. What is it? Alpha?
Numerical keys.
Alphanumeric keys. Alphanumeric keys. Very good. Alphanumeric keys. All right. Then, after that, what did we learn after that? Check. We'll revise and then go to the next portion. After keyboard is made of. Keyboard is made of different keys that I know. After alphanumeric keys, which one did we learn? Are you all sleeping? Nobody knows? You remember navigation keys?
Yes.
Yes? Did we learn about it? Navigation keys?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And navigation keys are used for moving around in the document and also editing text. Remember, did we write that?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Then after that, did we learn about function keys? No. No, right? No. So take your books, open your books. I asked you to revise and come the portion, no? Otherwise, you'll forget by the next week. Yes, dear? Yes, write in the rough book. All right. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to write the next set of keys. So two types of keys are over. First one is typing keys. Second one? Navigation keys. Now the third set is control keys. We'll write control first. Control keys. Put 3 in the margin and write control keys. Control keys. CONTROL. 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 Now those who have completed what have I said, you have to read what you have written. That's it. Control keys.
Control keys.
Control keys.
Ma'am, I was late.
It's okay, dear. Please take your rough book and start writing.
Ma'am,
This is the third set of keys on the keyboard. Control keys. Control keys. Control keys. Control keys. What is the spelling of control?
CONTROL.
Keys spelling is K-E-Y-S. Okay. Okay, now I will write a sentence about it. These keys are used alone. Are used alone. Right. Don't say it simply. Are used alone. These keys are used alone. Used alone. Or in combination with. Or in combination with. Combination with. Or in combination with. Or in combination with. Other keys. Other keys. K-E-Y-S. Keys. Other keys. To perform. To perform. To perform. To perform certain actions. Perform certain. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, dear, tell me.
In the second line, what's the word used finished?
U-S-E-D, used.
Used finished second.
A-L-O-N-E, alone. Alone. A-L-O-N-E, alone. A-L-O-N-E, alone.
Ma'am, the third line is what?
Third line, it is combination, starting with combination. C-O-M-B.
Used alone or in
I-N-A-T-I-O-N. You're welcome. Yes. Combination. So, what are control keys? These keys are used alone or in combination with other keys to perform certain actions. So, control keys can be used alone as well as along with other keys. For example, you can write some examples here. Write e.g. E.g. means examples. Have you seen this key? CTRL. CTRL will be written. What is it? What is that key called? Any idea?
Central key.
Control. Not central, it's control key. Okay, it's called control key. Just look at the keyboard if you can see control key. Look the keyboards. Yes, near the space bar in the lower line. See? Is showing us. Yes, control key. Then we have something called ALT. What is this? Do you know? Alt. Alt. It's called Alt. Alt key. Alt key. Do you see the Alt key?
Yes.
Yes. Alt key. Near the space bar, it will be there. Just look at the keyboard if it's there in front of you.
Yes.
Okay. Then we have another one called ESC.
Control key.
ESC. That is escape. Escape. Escape key. What is it? Escape key.
Escape key.
Yes, escape key.
TAB.
Escape key. These are a few examples of control keys. There are many more, but we are just learning these three. Okay. So what is written in the sentence? Just read the sentence. These keys are used alone or in combination with other keys to perform certain actions, isn't it? Yes. So these control keys, all keys or escape, they can be used alone or they can be used together with other keys like control plus A, capital A, or control plus P. We can use control plus V, capital V, or the letter V. Understood? They have different functions. They have different actions to be performed when they are used in combination with other keys. Is that clear for you?
Yes.
Yes. All right.
Ma'am, don't erase.
Don't erase. All right. All right. Write fast.
Ma'am, what is the second word?
Where, dear? Which line?
Second. Alt.
Alt. It's pronounced as alt. Alt key. Alt key. Say, Advait. Alt.
Ma'am,
Alt.
fourth word.
Fourth word where?
Ma'am, first word.
Huh?
Last.
Escape. ESC. Escape.
Ma'am,
It's called
first word.
escape key. This is control. See, I'll write it in the bracket then. This is control key. This is the same. Alt key. This is escape. Alt, escape. Control, alt, escape. So control key, alt key, and escape key. They are examples of dash keys. What is the answer? They're examples of control keys. Very good. They're examples of control keys. What is it? Yes, very good. Very good.
Ma'am, don't erase.
No, I'm not erasing, my dear. You can write. And please do write fast.
A-L-T what?
Alt. It's pronounced as alt.
Ma'am, I finished.
All right. Shall we write the next one?
Yes. No. No. No.
Those who have not completed, please write. Others, start discussing the next.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, those who have completed writing, just look at your keyboards. On top, the topmost layer of keys.
F1, F2, F3.
What is written? Then
F1, F2, F3, F4.
F1, F2,
F5,
F3, F4, F5. Till which number do we have?
F12. F12. Till 12.
Till 12. Yes, we have till 12. Do you know the name of these set of keys? Do you know the name? Yes or no?
No. No.
These keys are called function keys. What are they called?
Function keys.
Function keys. They are called function keys. Okay, so let's write the name of the next set of keys, function keys. Function keys.
Ma'am, in last line, then third word we want to write example under that.
Yes, yes, you have to write examples. Then after that, for you to understand, this is the keys. Okay, these are the 3 set of keys. There are many more. I'm just writing only 3. And this is spelled or pronounced as control. This is alt. And this one is escape. That's why I've written in bracket.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So function keys.
Ma'am, I wrote.
All right. We'll write a line about it. The function keys. Function keys are, right. Function keys are used to function keys are used to function keys are used to perform specific function keys are used to perform specific tasks. Function keys are used to perform specific tasks.
Ma'am, please read the specific spelling.
SPECIFI. Those who have completed this read, some students join late, so we'll wait for them. Okay, just read and study the 2 sentences that you have wrote. Please mute your audio, children. Ameya, please mute. Those who join late, when you complete writing, just tell me, okay? Till then, I'll wait.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, in second word.
Which word, dear?
Ma'am, in second line.
Is this the one?
Yes.
Specific. 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 SP.
Ma'am, I wrote.
ECIFIC specific. Specific means particular.
Yes. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome.
Ma'am, I finished.
Yes.
Ma'am,
That's not the way to say, no?
I wrote.
I have done my work. I have completed my work. That's the way you're taught.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, dear.
Am I what I write? I cannot get that word in third line.
Where? Which point? Function keys?
COMBINATION.
COMBINATION. Combination.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
And 2 lines. Only 2 lines are there.
We'll write the examples now. Next line is, they are labeled as F1, comma, F2. You have to write the number below, okay? F2, comma, F3,
Ma'am, I finished my work.
that is not the way to say, Satik. I have completed my
Ma'am, I have completed my work.
work. Very good. Satik, say like
Ma'am,
that.
I completed my work. Ma'am, I completed my work.
I have completed my work. Yes, I have completed my work. So,
Ma'am, I wrote.
F1, F2, F3, and so on. Right. And
First one is F1.
yes, F1. That's F1.
All right.
And so on, comma,
Okay, ma'am.
up to, yes,
I write the all function keys.
that's okay, no problem. Up to F12. So how many function keys are there in total?
F12.
No, how many?
F1, F2, F3, F4.
That's the name. That's the name of the key. I'm asking how many are there? Just count and see.
12.
12. There are 12 function keys in total. And what are the names of function keys? F1, F2, F3, and so on up to 12.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Yes, F11, F12, like that. So if somebody asks you how many function keys are there, you have to say 12 function keys. And what are the different function keys? F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, and F9, F10, F11, and F12. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, dear.
In the task finish, they are labeled. That's
another sentence.
It's another sentence. Or
Yes, yes. Another sentence. You have to put full stop here. Can't you see the full stop?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Full stop and then start another sentence. Yes. Good.
Am I wrong?
Okay. So how many did we learn in total? Alphanumeric or the typing keys, navigation keys. Then we have the control keys. Very good. And function keys.
Function keys.
So escape key comes under which section?
Ma'am, I draw.
Escape. Escape. Which set of keys? Escape keys comes under which section of keys?
Control keys.
Control keys. Very good. Now F13. Is there a key? F13? No. Okay. F5 key comes under which section? F5?
Function keys.
Function keys. Okay. Then page up and page down. Where does that come?
Arrow.
Not arrow exactly. Is it navigation? Is it control? Is it function or alphanumeric? Navigation. Navigation key. Page up and page down. Okay. Then A, B, C, D, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It comes under which section? Alphanumeric. Very good. Then the key for the full stop and comma comes under? Alphanumeric again. Okay, because the types, they are known as typing keys. Remember, typing keys are also called alphanumeric. Suppose if we want to type, listen, suppose if we want to type this sentence, the function keys are used to perform specific tasks. So we have to use the typing keys, isn't it? So if full stop and comma, all that are not there, how will we put this sentence to an end? We won't be able to. So we need the symbol keys, the numeric keys, as well as the letter keys inside the typing keys. Then only we can type the sentence completely. Okay. Yes. Any doubt, children?
No.
No. All right. Shall I take the attendance then?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Okay. Those who have not completed can continue writing. No problem. Okay. Are you still writing? Is there anybody who is still writing? No. Okay. I'm stopping to share. All right. Attendance, please. Archa Tushar. Archa Tushar. No, Archa was here. Present.
Yes.
Abir Shafat.
Present.
Abir Shafat.
Present.
Where? I cannot see. Abir Shafat. Where is Abir? Ah, okay, present.
Present, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Advait S.
Present, ma'am.
Akshay Krishnan.
Present, ma'am.
Aman Kiasar.
Present, ma'am.
Maya Shabu.
Present, ma'am.
Angelika.
Present, ma'am.
Anushka.
Present, ma'am.
Ashik Satyan.
Present, ma'am.
Abel Benoy.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Azza Hawa. Azza.
Present.
Swin.
Swin present.
Devananda. Dhanush.
Present, ma'am.
Present.
Ma'am, Devananda is present.
Yes, yes, I saw that. Diavanu.
Present, ma'am.
Ellen Via.
Present, ma'am.
Evangeline. Present. Haran.
Present, ma'am.
Haran Pilajo. Yes, present. Harshika.
Absent.
Harshika.
Absent.
Absent. Jaranjathan.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Joanna Jinto.
Ma'am.
Present. Leon Lijo.
Present.
Maria Evelyn.
Absent.
Mohammad Ryan. M.O. Absent.
No.
M.U.
Present, ma'am.
Mohammad Ryan is present. Then we have Nakshitra Dinesh.
Present, ma'am.
Nivya. Nivya Rose.
Absent.
Absent. Prithwin Dev.
Present, ma'am.
Rishan.
Present, ma'am.
What happened, Prithwin? You're very silent today. Okay. Ryan Manu. Sabika Shirin.
Ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Satik Krishna. Satik Krishna. Present. No? Yes. Safania Fanton.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Siddesh.
Present, ma'am.
Shivada.
Present, ma'am.
Sri Bala.
Present, ma'am.
Vinayak.
Present, ma'am.
Vrinda.
Present, ma'am.
Present. And Yadav.
Present, ma'am.
All right. So please learn the 4 types of keys and come. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes, Ayush. I'll mark your attendance. Yes. So study this and come for the next class. We'll learn about the specific keys in the coming classes. Okay. Like control keys, escape keys, and all we learned as a part, as an example of which keys, which set of keys, control, escape, alt. Which keys?
Control
Yes.
keys.
That was the category. Now we learn about the specific keys in the coming classes. Understood? Okay. So we'll meet next week then. Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Bye.